putok o mabaho hininga?
Sobra naman yung may putok tsaka mabaho ang hininga.
Where was the best vacation you've ever taken?
Best vacation?
Pogi na smart o tsaka na smart?
Pogi na smart or tsaka na smart?
How do you start your day? If you were not an artista, what will you be doing right now? The cutest thing on planet Earth.
Cutest thing on planet Earth.
Who do you turn to when you're sad? Hi, Kim!
Hmm? Uy, hi!
Pwede ba kitang tanungin?
O sige, pababa na rin naman ako.
Ano yung favorite time of the day mo?
Favorite time of the day? Actually, hindi kasi talaga ako morning person. So, afternoon person ba tawag doon? Paghapon? After lunch. So, yes, afternoon. Favorite time of the day, hapon.
Anong favorite color mo?
Favorite color ko is, syempre, alam naman natin lahat, color pink. It's so young, fresh, and vibrant.
Anong favorite food mo naman?
Favorite food ko, syempre, anything na Chinese food. Syempre, Chowking, Chowfan, Siomai, Shanghai, mga gano'n, nakaka-happy. And mga pansit-pansit, spaghetti, ganyan.
What's your idea of perfect date?
My ideal perfect date is anything na isa-surprise ka with grandness, yung mga hindi mo ine-expect, yung mga out-of-the-box na kind of date.
Classroom or bedroom?
Sa classroom.
What's your biggest weakness?
Siguro yung pinaka-weakness ko is yung walang naniniwala sa ginagawa ko.
How about your biggest strength?
Biggest strength, just like this tree over here. Matibay siya. Biggest strength niya is the roots. I think that's my strength. Na mag-overcome sa lahat ng mga oo, ano ba strength? Biggest strength is yung family ko. Sa kanila talaga ako humuhugot ng mga strength and weaknesses and everything.
What's the biggest learning experience you've had?
Biggest learning experience that I had is siguro yung recently lang na mga na nangyari sa akin the past few months dahil alam mo kasi brainy ka doon, mabilis ka. Biggest learning is na mas kilala mo yung sarili mo and wag kang magpapadala sa sinasabi ng ibang tao.
Pogi na smart o tsaka na smart?
Pogi na smart or tsaka na smart? Pogi na smart? Perfect na. Doon na tayo. Pero pipilian mo pa ako kung tsaka na smart.
What's the best compliment you've ever received?
Na pretty ako. Ano ba naman maliit na bagay? Ang tagal naman ang nagtatanong. Walang kanto
When are you the most inspired?
When am I most inspired? I'm most inspired kapag nakikita ko na may katuturan yung mga ginagawa ko and meron akong nai-inspire na tao. And pag ginagawa ko yung gusto ko, like acting, dancing, singing, and hosting, yun yung parang breather ko sa self ko kasi hindi talaga ako ma-emote sa sarili ko.
What makes you smile the most?
What makes me smile the most? I think the flowers over here. Yung mga nagpapangiti sa akin is pera. Magpapasmile sa akin is siguro yung mga jokes. Kasi mababaw talaga akong tao. So kahit ano, yun talaga yung nagpapatawa sa akin. Lalo na pag funny person ka, ay pasok, best friend tayo.
What's one thing people don't know about you?
One thing people don't know about me, hairdresser na rin ako. Hindi nila alam. I think open book naman ako. So, alam naman na nila yung mga ginagawa ko. Alam nila yung ano ko. So, yun.
Heels, flats, or sneakers?
Sneakers! Meron akong collection ng white sneakers. Nakita na yun sa YouTube channel ko.
Vintage or new?
Vintage or
New.
new? Ay, natatakot ako sa vintage. Hindi ko masyadong kinakaya mga vintage dahil naniniwala ako na merong naninirahan sa mga vintage stuff. Hindi ko naman hinusgahan yung mga tao na mahilig sa vintage. But mas gusto ko yung bago para ako muna ang unang naka-experience.
What are the 3 things you can't live without?
3 things that I can't live without. Siyempre yung cellphone ko kasi communication is so important nowadays. And second is, I cannot live without si Zikami. Yes! Kasi siya talaga yung nag-iisip lahat for me. Last is, yung mga tao, parang kailangan ko talaga ng tao to make chika, to talk to me, to inspire me, ganun.
Maiputok o mabaho hininga?
Sobra naman yung may putok tsaka mabaho ang hininga.
Hindi ka doon.
I think, may putok na lang. Kasi natatago niya pa eh. Kasi gusto ko pa rin makipagkwentuhan kahit papaano. So, pag mabaho yung hininga ng kausap mo, hindi mo talaga siya kakayanin. So, may putok na lang. Kasi ipaka-i-keep niya. Tapos, napupunasan naman ng wet tissue yung kilikili. So, matatanggal yung amoy.
What's your favorite Netflix series?
My favorite Netflix series is... Yung last ko napanood ay Emily in Paris.
What's the most adventurous thing you've done in your life?
The adventurous thing that I've done. Meron akong Kim Adventure. Meron akong Kim Adventure at dun ginagawa ko talaga yung mga scary, mga I love heights. So, isa yun sa mga favorite kong gawin. And adventure ko yun.
How you define yourself in 3 words?
Funny, true, and honest.
What's your current favorite piece of clothing that you own?
Favorite ko ay mga maong pants ko na mga tattered jeans. That's my super favorite.
What's a must-have clothing item everyone should own? Ano yung must-have na?
Must-have
Alam na.
item that everyone should own is white t-shirt. Nauuhaw ako, di ba? Yung white t-shirt. You can never go wrong with white t-shirt. Pumunta ka man kahit saan, dapat meron kang white t-shirt.
What's the best piece of advice you've received?
Oo, madami pa ba ito? The best piece of advice that I receive is just be yourself. Yung kahit ano man ang sabihin ng mga asong ito ay wala silang pakialam. Basta kilala mo ang sarili mo at makikita mo ang liwanag sa lahat ng mga pinagdaanan. Love it.
What's your pet peeve?
May pet peeve ay yung maingay ang paa.
Diamonds or pearls?
Diamonds or pearls? Ang pearl kasi is a symbolism of tears. So, gusto ko diamonds para makinang, di ba?
What's your biggest regret?
My biggest regret is hindi ko natapos yung pag-aaral. Pero okay lang, at least kahit paano may natutunan naman ako sa life dahil na nakaupo ako dito sa upuan ko ng kinder. This is it.
What's heavily played on your music playlist right now?
Korean K-pop album from Blackpink to Twice to CLC to ITZY
What?
to BTS.
What's your favorite board game?
Favorite board game ko ay wala. Hindi ako mahilig Wala, hindi ako mahilig mag-board game. 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 What do get What do get What do get Wala, hindi ako mahilig mag-board game.
人生难免会有忍不住的泪。